Hello, this is a short tutorial for those of you that perhaps find standing postures, or particularly warriors, and position that requires you to be open to the long end of the mat, a little bit tricky for balancing. So traditionally, let's say, ask you to jump out, or whenever we get into those, the front heel is ideally in line with the inner arch of the back foot. We'll forget about the arms for now. However, this can feel a little bit like tightrope if you're not quite used to be doing this, or if you have issues with your balance as it is. You could take the back foot a little bit more towards the long end of the mat. So here you have a wider stance, and this applies to when we come to the warrior one as well. So for example, when you're turning forward, if being here is not quite comfortable, and I definitely am one of those people that has to take it wider, there I feel that my pelvis is a lot more aligned. So this, with the back leg a little bit more towards the front end, makes all of those postures easier. Another solution, and then my head will probably disappear, you're not missing out on much. You can take a shorter stance lengthwise, so you don't have to go as low down, and you keep this time the alignment may be more of the heel in line with the inner arch of the back foot, but you just don't go down as deep. Another option is to do this against the wall. I'll do it on the other side for the sake of balancing. So here, what is in contact with the wall, primarily my bottom and the same shoulder as the bottom. So my alignment, I've still got my front heel in line with the inner arch of the back foot, but I have a support, which means that when I'm coming over and doing all of those, I am supported. I haven't got a wall available, I hear you say. Okay, let's try this with a chair, with the support of a chair. Here's one I made earlier. I didn't make it really, but you know what I mean. So here you could actually just use the chair itself to be your support, or using the back of the chair, or using the front of the chair. This is your support, and this would be your warrior 2 and your warrior 1. I have a class on seated postures that can help, as in with the help of the chair. In the meantime, if you are struggling with the standing warrior postures, then try those and let me know how you get on. Namaste.